Hi, my name's LG. Hope today's been a good one so far, and welcome to another one of our Jedi Academy tip videos. So I think it's fair to say that there's two main mods that we use for Jedi Academy, both Movie Duels 2 and Kotf / Galactic Legacy. Both bring really cool things to the table. Movie Duels 2, for example, mostly focuses on the single player side, storytelling, bringing some great single player missions to the table, and of course the Movie Duels battle mechanism. Kotf, on the other hand, does have some single player missions that are very cool, but mostly focuses on the NPC side of it and the multitude of arenas you can choose from, both for putting AI battles together and maybe your own little stories with hundreds of NPCs to choose from. But both mods do have their limitations. Galactic Legacy doesn't have the Movie Duels fighting style, and Movie Duels 2 doesn't have the serious amount of characters and arenas to choose from that Galactic Legacy does. So how do we go about tweaking this for our own particular use? Because I stumbled across this when putting a battle video together the other day, and Galactic Legacy didn't have the Jerick mod in it, and I know, for example, Movie Duels 2 doesn't have, for example, the Arcane and Thexan mods in it. So I think we can break this down into three main parts for doing this. First part is going to be the installation. So first off, I'm not going to show you how to install Kotf or Movie Duels 2. It is simple. Download the mods, unzip the files and drag them over to your game data folder in your Jedi Academy installation. But for this, you're going to want to make sure that you've got both Movie Duels and Galactic Legacy installed in the same Jedi Academy build. Straight off, go into the Movie Duels folder and just copy the assets and the prequel models and the sequel models. Take them and go and put them in your base folder. If you can see, mine are down here at the bottom, all three PK3 files. Then go into Kotf, scroll down towards the bottom and grab all the NPC files and all the skins. Copy those, come back to your base folder and pop them in there. As you can see, all mine are in there. You do want to copy them, don't cut and paste. The second step to this is locating the character you would like to spawn in. So in terms of Movie Duels, if you want to spawn characters into Galactic Legacy, all the NPC files we're looking for are in the Movie Duels assets. If you're looking for the Galactic Legacy characters that you want to spawn into Movie Duels 2, it's the NPC file. So for this example, we're going to do a Galactic Legacy character into Movie Duels 2 first. So let's look for Arcane, and if we go into here and into the NPC files, at the top we see Arcane. The phrase we're looking for that we want to use to spawn him in is always going to be at the top of the actual character attributes. So for example, there's Arcane and Arcane Mass, two versions of this NPC in this file. I think we're going to try and spawn in the Arcane Mass. So make a note of that, and then we're going to load into the game. In this particular instance, Movie Duels 2. Okay, once you're in game, pretty simple. You just want to hit the tilde key, which is the key above the tab key, and type NPC spawn, and we're going to use the Arcane Mask version, and that's it. There he is, ready to go. I'm actually set to evil, that's why he's not attacking me. He is an evil version. So that's it in terms of spawning Galactic Legacy characters into Movie Duels. Let's check out how to do it vice versa. So in terms of putting Movie Duels characters into Galactic Legacy, it's a little bit more complicated. It's the same process, but how they've laid the characters out makes it a little bit more awkward to find them. So it's in the Movie Duels asset PK3 file. You're going to want to just scan the archive. Again, go into the ext data folder where you'll find the NPC folder, and in here you're going to find a list, or rather just files with a number of NPCs in it. Nothing's really listed per NPC. Now I do know, for example, I want to spawn Jerick into Galactic Legacy, so it's in the MDCH NPC folder, and I find it easier just because there's so many. It's ridiculous in one file. I just find it easier to search for it. So if I find next, I've got Jerick, and there we go with the same sort of thing that we had in the previous file. All the character attributes that again can be changed if you wanted to. You know, you could change his force power, and his health like I have done. But the phrase that we're interested in to spawn him in is MD_Jerick. So let's jump into Galactic Legacy and I'll show you the process in there. So exactly the same process once in game. Tilde key, NPC spawn, and remember he was called MD_Jerick, and then he pops ready to do what you want. Story modes, AI battles, whatever it may be. So there we have it, a relatively easy fix and way to spawn any NPC character into either the Movie Duels Mod 2 or the Galactic Legacy and vice versa. Of course, there is one last thing that we could possibly use it for if we wanted to. We could turn ourselves into the one and only Jerick also, and that can be used for any other character that you've decided to spawn in. So there we have it. I really hope you enjoyed it. Relatively easy fix. I really hope this has been helpful. I hope you go and use it and have a lot of fun over the next few days. As for now, if you did, hit the like button, subscribe for more, hit me in the comments. Have a great day. Take it easy. Hope to see you in the next, and bye for now.